Hi, I'm Riddhi Detroja from 11 Media, a complete branding and marketing agency who provides 360-degree solutions. Hi, Akif. Hi.
Yeah, hi. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Nice. So, Priti, you establishing your company, let's say. So that time you are exploring various softwares, right? Let's say Odoo is there. Zoho also you exploring in sync with me. Let's say I provided you demo. I provided you the information about a Zoho ecosystem. So how you explore and what your steps you have followed in order to choose the right product for your organization.
So basically, I'll just give a short walkthrough of what a company does and aims for. So we provide many services, digital marketing, SEO, website development, many things. So I was facing many issues in terms of productivity, staff organizing,
Right.
task organizing, many things. But
Okay.
then my husband, who has been your recent client,
Yeah.
and
yeah.
is very happy with your work.
Okay.
So he suggested me, even if you are starting, even if it is a startup, you should go for this to establish a long-term, fully productive system and at very ease and in very organized way. So
Okay.
that's how I got connected with you, and it interests me more
Okay.
because yes, as you said rightly, Odoo was also there and Zoho was also there. But what to choose was one of my interest point was UI experience, that I see a very good UI experience than Odoo,
Okay.
and also the support and customization that you guys provide was adding cherry on cake kind of thing.
So thank you for your kind words. Okay, so yeah, Riddhi, since you mentioned that you want to start your operations and everything, right? So there are multiple services which you are offering into the market by establishing your organizations, right? So how you correlate your problem statements with Zoho application bundle, Zoho One, since we are you decided to go ahead with Zoho One. So how you correlate your business problem statements with Zoho apps?
So again, it was very easy for me because State Work team, your team, helped me to choose the right software first. So that's how I got introduced to Zoho One, right? And after that, I went through the whole demo, and it was like they showed each and every app and how it can be utilized. So basically, if I go in bit detail, for example, if we are talking about Zoho projects, so it is for the task management, and then we were not allowed. We were using Excel, we were using Google Drive, we were using different platforms, and still it was very tedious. So that's when Zoho projects helped us. We could use Work Drive. Also, we had a very good with time tracking. Also, the task assignment and dependencies and like each and every details were perfectly managed, and that's how it increased our productivity, and it
Right.
increased very well. So that is one example, and likewise others. Like if I'm not a very good financial person,
Okay.
so I'm a more creative side person. Like so that's how Zoho Books helped me
Okay.
to send a quote very quickly at the right time, and also automate the whole process to convert from quote to sales or deal, sales order, PI invoice. So whole process that was also very smooth. So likewise, I have selected many apps like analytics, Zoho Click for internal chat,
Right.
Zoho Mail that could give the same service as Gmail.
Gmail is offering, right?
Yeah. So like many other such apps, I put CRM. That is also very important for me for lead generation, and to crack a deal, the whole process I could very easily operate. So that's how different apps. Almost I'm using all kind of apps, and I would like to know more apps because it is somehow any which way is useful for your organization, because it's a we can say daily routine things that requires for smooth operations.
Correct, correct. So yeah, Zoho One bundle, while a demo time also we offered you, we provided you demo of each and every apps of Zoho. startup being, let's say, lot of tools you require. Let's say finance management, sales and BD management, right? And then collaboration kind of activities management. So that's what we identified. Like, except of individual apps, we should proceed with the bundle app. So it really helps you, and you can manage everything on one platform.
Yes, and even as I was saying about customization, Straightwork has always been supportive and to the mark for any kind of customization, because in this industry we require different customizations and different aspects of clients are also there.
Right.
So again, handling of clients is also on Zoho One. So what's not?
Correct,
So thank you very much for providing such good platform and services till now.
Okay.
And we are very happy and would suggest everyone to go through Zoho One.
So thank you, Riddhi. Thank you for your kind words.
Thank you so much, Akib bhai. And I would like to say special thanks to his team also and for such good contribution. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.